Hi, ChatGPT. How should I start my intro to the No BS bar?
Hi, everybody. This is Alan
And this is Betsy.
coming to you from the No BS Bar today with our friend ChatGPT. You've all heard about AI and what it can do, and some real estate agents are panicking out there. They think that AI is going to replace them. We're here to tell you, we're not getting replaced at all, are we?
Not a chance, but some agents don't even believe they should be using AI, which is worse than the people who believe that AI is going to replace them.
Because what's really going to happen is AI is just like anything else. It's a technology that if the good agents are going to dive into it and learn how to use it. It's kind of like I remember in the day when the multiple listing service first went computerized. Everybody was carrying around these big, thick books. And the books, the data was 2 weeks old when you got the book. And so then, the solds and the sales, and you carried it around. Well, did you know that after we got the computerized MLS, for probably 6 or 8 years, lots of agents still carried around the books and used the books and would pay for them instead of using the MLS.
Does not surprise me.
You know where those agents are now? They are gone, have long been gone, and they went out of the business faster because they didn't adapt to what was happening. So artificial intelligence, last year, we talked about it when it was first becoming real popular, and I said, I am going to dedicate 2 hours every week to learning artificial intelligence on how it can help us serve our clients better, how it can help us in marketing, how it can help us in everything we do. And I am here to tell you, spending that 2 hours a week is now probably saving me 2 hours a day. So that return has been phenomenal on everything we do in our business. We write your agent remarks and we write your consumer remarks when we put them in the MLS, because you know what? If you tell us that, hey, my house is most likely to be bought by this demographic of people with this income that are looking for this in schools, then guess what we can do? We can have ChatGPT write the marketing tailored to that demographic. And what that does is that helps us bring in and helps us find the right people out there. We also use it in lots of our planning and our business structure and where we're going, where the industry's going, what's happening in the economy. I use it every day to walk us through how we should do things in our business. So, what do you think?
I mean, I think you spend more than 2 hours on learning AI a week, but hey, whatever you say. It is
Right.
what it is. But I really was one of those people who was hesitant on AI because, I'm like, oh,
You're
Alan,
a people
Alan.
person.
Right. And I'm like, Alan will learn it all. But I'm definitely somebody who uses a lot of AI now because you really just don't have a choice. I have Perplexity, I have ChatGPT, Tom Ferry, who's our business coach. Being with him, at all of the things. And, he's really the one that forced me to use it because he's like, okay, put this into ChatGPT and put this into Perplexity and figure out what it says. And this is going to tell you how to do this. And this is going to write your business plan for next year. And I'm like, oh my gosh. Okay, Tom, hold up. It's crazy.
Here's what you need to know as the consumer is if you are talking to agents and they're like, we don't worry about AI. We don't use AI because, I don't know if it's going to last or it scares me. The robots are going to take over the world. If you're talking to one of those agents, run fast, get away, because guess what? They are not progressing at the pace the industry is, and you will suffer for not using one of those agents.
Right. I mean, we can use it if we're doing a marketing video at your house. This is what is insanely crazy. We can be outside filming and a dog can run behind us and start barking its head off. We don't have to change the video. We can just take
it out.
Dog out that just went crazy behind us and keep rolling with the video. It's insane.
Or have you ever seen some of these photographs that agents take in houses? They're out there using their iPhone. They're not using professional photography. But even
That's another agent not to hire, by the way.
Even when you use professional photography, sometimes you'll get the photos and you'll think, man, I didn't see that in the background. And if it's something that's a personal item, guess what? It's not conveying with the house anyway. So we're going to take it out, make it look better, so that your house comes across in the best way
not
possible.
the electric post in the backyard. They got to stay.
Yeah. So certain things have to stay. We can move the trash cans. We can move the personal pictures. We can take all that stuff out. But what you need to understand is if you get that agent and you ask them a question, well, how do you use artificial intelligence in your business model, which you should be asking them. And if they say, well, we're really not there yet, it's not ready, or I'm scared of using AI, and we do everything personal, not the agent to be using in today's market.
And we use it in all of our marketing, everything.
Yep. So till next time at the No BS Bar, it's Alan.
And Betsy, we'll see you then.